Hello little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is advancement in communication. So in this chapter we will study about the different means of communication. We have personal and mass means communication and negative effects of advancement in communication. जैसे जैसे communication में advancement हुआ है, क्या क्या negative effects आए हैं, that I will tell you in this chapter. To keep in touch with others. देखो अगर आपको किसी के साथ touch में रहना है, आपको communicate करना पड़ेगा. So communication, it is a process of sharing thoughts and feelings with one another. It helps us to know about people and places or near from us. There are some methods of communication. First is talking and listening, writing and reading, showing and watching. And people like to communicate with relatives, friends and strangers far and near. So over the year, communication has developed in a big way. And due to this, what happened? The world has come closer and it's appeared to be smaller place. So distance have no barrier and there are families living even in far off places and who are communicating regularly. So we have means of communication. Let's study about the two types of communication. So what is communication? When you are sharing your ideas and you are sending and receiving message, information with different people, what you are doing? You are using different means of communication. The people who cannot use one type of communication can use a different one to communicate each other. So let's study the two categories, that is individual use or masses use. So communication for individual use, like we have post office, means the postal system जो widely used है, system है, letter, parcels and aerograms are sent by post office. Inland letter, postcard, aerograms and stamps are available at post office. The post office also offers the facility of like speed post. ठीक है, आप जाते हैं parcel भेजना हो, आपको कुछ speed post करना हो, money order करना हो, तो where do you all go? We go to post office and do all this. Right now, telephone and mobile phone सबसे बड़ा revolution है communication का. That is your use of telephone, which was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. So जो telephone network है, it has been widened with the help of communication. Satellite, our telephone, we can talk and listen to the person at same time. भाई आप बात भी कर सकते हो, उसको सुन भी सकते हो. देखो जो आपसे बहुत दूर रह रहा है and other country में भी रहता है, by using ISTD, that is International Subscriber Trunk Dialing Service. New technology in telephone in cell phones or mobile phones. Nowadays we use Android or smartphone. That is next is fax, that is facsimile. It's an instant means of communication. इसे हम instant means of communication कहते हैं. And telefax machine, what it sends an exact copy of handwritten or printed material or even picture. It works through telephone line. ये telephone lines के through work करता है. Then we have email, which is known as electronic mail. It's a new system of sending or receiving message through computers. It delivers message instantly and email operates across computer network, which is called internet, and some early email system is required and the author and the recipient both be online at the same time. तो इसको हम common instant message कहते हैं. ये एक store, ये किस पे based होता है? Store and forward model पे. Neither the user nor the computer are required to be online and we have an address look like this, that's abc.prakashan85@gmail.com. Now communication of masses, when you have to communicate with large number of people, so we use mass communication. So we have different mass communication like books, magazine, radio, newspaper, television, which make it possible. Let's read about all the means of mass communication. First is newspaper, books and magazine. Since printing was invented, printing किसने इन्वेंट करा था? जॉन गुटेन्सबर्ग ने. और कब करा था? जर्मनी में 1443. So जो printed word है, it's become a powerful means of communication and millions of books are written and printed every year throughout the world. These books can be translated into any language. The first printed newspaper was appeared about 400 years ago in 1609 in Germany, and newspaper, magazine, books, all these bring latest information to their readers. Billions of books which gives us information are available and have accelerated what? The pace of human process. Then we have radio, which is the cheapest mode of means of communication, and radio has been invented by Italian scientist, that is Guglielmo Marconi. So its invention brought a revolution in the mass communication and radio can be used to transmit message to any part of the world. आप कहीं भी किसी भी जगह हो, हर जगह क्या कर सकता है? मैसेज को पहुंचा सकता है. So several radio broadcasts, news, educational programs and entertainment programs all over the world, they all are gaining popularity as a medium of entertainment also. Like with the introduction of FM, that is frequency modulation. Then we have cinema. It is also a popular means of mass communication and source of entertainment and means of producing. Now, we have cinema, which is used to spread knowledge, especially through short films called documentaries, which contain information about people, events, country, animals, plants, or topics. Cinema help people living in different parts of the world and to understand each other culture. आप हर दूसरे का culture, values ये भी समझ सकते. Then we have television, which is the most powerful means of communication with its audio and visual effect. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम क्या देते हैं? यहाँ पे आपको ऑडियो भी देखने को मिलेगा, उसके साथ साथ विजुअल इफेक्ट्स भी मिलेंगे. सो कलर टेलीविजन वाज developed by John Logie Baird in 1926, which provide latest news, information and entertainment. ये रिकॉर्ड करता है लाइव इवेंट्स को भी, and then man-made satellite launched into space can pick up and transmit signal to different places. ये करता है लाइव टेलीकास्ट करता है different programs का. Then we have internet. If you want to any information, you just search on net. ठीक है, आप जो भी चीज उसमें सर्च करोगे वो आपको प्रॉपर देखने को मिलेगी. एंड देन यू कैन सी दैट द इंटरनेट इज द फास्ट एंड एफिशिएंट वे ऑफ सेंडिंग इंफॉर्मेशन अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. ये एक सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है ऑन ऑलमोस्ट एनी टॉपिक. मिलियंस ऑफ वेबसाइट यू कैन सी ऑन द इंटरनेट. जीमेल, याहू, वी हैव डिफरेंट वेबसाइट. देन वी हैव एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ये भी एक अनदर टेक्निक है कम्युनिकेशन की विद द मासेस व्हिच टेल्स अस अबाउट द वो प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी बता रहा है. भाई जब तक आपको किसी चीज की क्वालिटी पता ही नहीं होगी तो आप उसको कैसे बाय करोगे. तो वो हम जो चीजें बताते हैं प्रोडक्ट के बारे में वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू बताते हैं. इट्स हैज अ पावरफुल इम्पैक्ट ऑन द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ द पीपल. लाइक यू कैन सी न्यूज़पेपर, मैगजीन दैट सेल्स देयर स्पेस फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट and also given on radio and television, right? So nowadays you can see that internet is used for advertising. Advertisement consists of specialty of the product और स्लोगन होता है जो मास को अट्रैक्ट करे, राइट? एडवर्टाइजमेंट फाइंड आउट न्यू वेज ऑफ एवरी डे टू पुल आउट द अटेंशन ऑफ द कस्टमर. वी शुड बी केयरफुल नॉट टू बी कैरिड अवे बाय द ग्लैमर ऑफ द एडवर्टाइजमेंट. सो आवर गवर्नमेंट स्प्रेड सोशल अवेयरनेस messages through various modes of advertisement. They can warn us about disaster like tsunami, flood, earthquakes, and television, the most powerful as they are packed with spectrum of speedy actions, right? People are sometimes influenced or puzzled by such advertisement and we should be more cautious and thought about the slogan. आपको बहुत ध्यान से अच्छा सा स्लोगन रखना है जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, लार्ज गैदरिंग को क्या कर सको, अट्रैक्ट कर सको. Now, negative effect of advancement in communication. So, the advanced means of communication have some negative effect. Nowadays, children want to sit in front of television or play computer games. So, they no longer want to go out and play outdoor games. Their eyesight is getting affected due to excessive watching of TV and using computer. So, lack of physical exercise. भाई physical exercise तो है ही नहीं, तो वो क्या हो जाता है, weak feel करने लग जाता है, dull feel हो जाता है, lethargic हो जाता है, मतलब laziness हो जाती है due to lack of energy. We should not misuse the modern means of communication. These things are made up of for our comfort, not to cause trouble to others. ना कि भाई comfort के लिए, ना कि आप दूसरे को harm करें. So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.